It's time to go beyond what a smartphone can do. With a massive camera upgrade, the A16 Bionic chip, entirely new category of safety innovations, and never-before-seen display technology. This is iPhone 14 Pro. A magical new way to interact with iPhone. Groundbreaking safety features designed to save lives. An innovative 48MP camera for mind-blowing detail. All powered by the ultimate smartphone chip. Designed for durability, with ceramic shield tougher than any smartphone glass. Water resistance, surgical-grade stainless steel, all in for pro colors, deep purple, gold, silver, and space black. Meet the new face of iPhone, introducing Dynamic Island. A truly Apple innovation that's hardware and software and something in between. It bubbles up music, sports scores, FaceTime, and so much more, all without taking you away from what you're doing. Welcome to a shape-shifting, multitasking, head-turning, game-changing iPhone experience. Dynamic Island blends fun and function like never before, consolidating your notifications, alerts, and activities into one interactive place. It's integrated throughout iOS 16 and can work with all kinds of apps to seamlessly surface what you need right when you need it. It expands fluidly to get your attention. Hey, your team just scored, then tucks away again. You can see your next turn in Maps. Touch and hold to control your music. And even keep an eye on your lift while texting with friends. Easy, intuitive, delightful. Built breakthrough be breakthrough. Innovation thrives when you bring hardware, software, and silicon teams together like only Apple can. 31% smaller TrueDepth camera system, engineered to free up display space and be even more capable. Array-engineered proximity sensor now detects light from behind the display, saving additional space. Advanced display algorithms make Dynamic Island responsive wherever you tap, swipe, or hold. Animations designed to look and feel like liquid, thanks to hardware and software anti-aliasing powered by Apple Silicon. This is the biggest change to the face of iPhone since we went all-screen. Always on display, always at the ready. Now your lock screen is always glanceable, so you don't even have to tap it to stay in the know. When iPhone is turned face down or in your pocket, it goes dark to save battery life. All-day battery life, even with so many new capabilities. Your photo, your font, your widgets here. iPhone iOS 16 lets you customize your lock screen in fun new ways. Layer a photo to make it pop. Track your activity rings, and see live updates from your favorite apps. A display that's up to 2 times brighter in the sun. Brilliant. For those bright, sunshiny days. The Super Retina XDR display now reaches a peak of 2000 nits outdoors. That's twice as bright as before and the highest peak brightness of any smartphone. So text jumps right off the screen. Photos and HDR videos get a big boost. 2. Up to 1600 nits peak brightness, bringing iPhone to the same level as the Pro Display XDR. Movies, shows, and even the films you've shot on iPhone look more true to life than ever. Promotion technology allows for variable refresh rates, from 10 to 120 times per second. It smoothly and intelligently ramps up when you need exceptional graphics performance, and ramps down to save power when you don't. Game on. With all these incredible features, the new Super Retina XDR is the most advanced display ever in smartphone.